Before starting exercise 11.3, we have to understand the various important formula related to cube and cuboids. Now, first we will study the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now, first you have to understand what is a lateral surface. Lateral surface, dear student, means it is open from top and bottom, and only 4 walls are there. If we observe this figure, see this 1, 2, this front surface and the back surface, top and bottom surface is not there. So let us understand the dimension. This is the longest side, that is length, this is breadth, and this is height. So if we observe minutely to the formula of lateral surface area of a cuboid, that is 2 into h, that is 2h L plus B. So now how we get this value, let us see. Now this front wall, that is front surface, and a back surface, let us see its dimension, that is L and H, that is you can write HL or LH. So 2HL, 2HL means one for front and one for back. So write down 2HL plus 2BH. 2BH means this side surface, side wall. That is, let us check its dimension. Let us observe its dimension, that is B, breadth, and this height, that is standing wall, that is H for standing wall. That is 2 BH, 1 BH over here and 1 BH over here, 2 wall. So write down 2 BH. Now here, dear student, what is common? 2 and 2 and H and H. So write down 2H, and what will left inside the bracket? L plus B. So write down 2H L plus B. This is how we get our formula. Now let us understand the total surface area of a cuboid. Total surface means it is closed from all of its side. Means first we will see this top and bottom surface, slant surface, top, this bottom and top surface. Let us see dimension L and B. So write down 2LB, that is one for bottom and one for top, 2LB. Then this standing surface, that is this front and back. Let us see its dimension. Here 2BH. So first write down this surface, that is side wall. Write down it dimension B and H, that is 2BH, that is one wall over here and one wall over here, that is 2BH. And 2HL. HL means this front wall, front and back side. So see its dimension, that is L and H. So 2 such walls are there, so write down 2HL. So this is how we get our value of the formula, that is total surface area of a cuboid. That is 2 is common in all, so in bracket it will come 2 LB BH HL, 2 LB BH HL. This is how we derive our value of lateral surface area of a cuboid and total surface area of a cuboid. Now let us understand the cube. The lateral surface means against the same way we have to find the value. As in cube we know, as all walls are same, means it is in square shape, square surface. So for lateral surface means 4 wall, only 4 standing wall, no top and bottom. See, I have shaded the portion also. So if the area of a one wall is, if we consider it as a S squared, we know that area of a square is side square. S square you can write A square, you can write X square. So for 4 such wall, you have to write 4S square. That is lateral surface area of a cube. Now total surface area means here top and bottom surface also there. So 6 such wall are there. 1, that back side 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that is 6S square. You can write 6A square also. 6x square also. Any name you can give for the square surface. Total 6 surfaces are there in total. So write down 6x square. Now cylinder. Cylinder, from the rectangular shape we can easily form a cylinder by folding it in a cylindrical shape in this way. Now after in that, a cylinder has a two flat circular surface, that is two flat, that is top and bottom, a top and bottom, top and base. The other surface of the cylinder is not a flat, that is other surface means this curved surface. It is not a flat, it is known as curved surface. See here, it is, this surface is not a flat, so it is curved surface, it is curved in say round. Now first we will see the area of base of the cylinder. See, area of a base, it is a, that is one kind of a area of a circle only, and the formula for the area of a circle is pi r square for top and for bottom, pi r square. Then we will see the circumference of the circle. See, circumference of the circle means only the circle and the height, only the hollow circumference. So that is circumference of a cylinder. Circumference means 2 pi r, and whatever the height is created for the to form such cylinder, 2 pi rh. The 2 pi rh is just a circumference of a base of the cylinder. And now let us understand the curved surface area of a cylinder. Curved surface area means we are talking about this only, that is 2 pi rh, only the hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder, it do not have base and top surface. Now for if suppose the value of diameter is given, you can write a pi dh also in place of 2r, as value of 2r is equals to d only. Now we have to understand total surface area of such cylinder, which is closed from both the end. So how to understand such? See, one that such a hollow cylinder, that is 2 pi rh, that is curved surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi rh. In that if we'll add circular lid, that is pi r square, that is area of a circle only, pi r square, and pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. So 2 pi r is common. Now 2 pi r. Now here dear student, now let us see the another formula. Total surface area of a cylinder close at one end. Close at one end means it is open from another end, or it can be, see, from top it can be open and from bottom it is closed. You can see that water drum or any such object. Now the how to form the formula for such? So if it is mentioned that it is open or close at one end, if it is mentioned that close at one end means it is open from the another end. If it is mentioned that open at one end means it is closed from another end. Now how to form formula? First we have to take the curved surface area, that is 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h. Then in that we will add the area of a circle. Area of one circle means either it is closed from top or either it is closed from bottom. The area of a base, or you can write area of a top. So curved surface area formula is 2 pi r h, and the value of area of a base is pi r square. Pi r square means only here area of top will come or area of bottom will come. So if we see, the area of one circular lid is pi r square. So what is common here? Pi r is common. So what will left inside the bracket? 2h. From r square, 1r I had taken out for as a common. So 1r will remain inside the bracket. Now the another formula related to such, total surface area close at both the end means it is closed from both the end. So formula is very simple. We will take a curved surface area of cylinder, then in that we will add area of a base and area of a top. Now curved surface area of a cylinder is very simple, 2 pi r h, and area of a base that is area of a circle only, pi r square, and area of a top, that is pi r square. Pi r square plus pi r square gives 2 pi r square. Now what is common? 2 pi r and 2 pi r is common. What will left? H. From r square I had taken r, so r will left. So it's very simple to memorize all the formula. See here, curved surface, top and bottom, and whatever the height created, 2 pi r h and pi r square. This is how you can memorize your formula. Now dear student, you have to memorize the conversion of unit, that is if 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, we all know. So in the same way 1 centimeter will be 1 by 100 meter. 1 meter square equals to 100 into 100 gives 10,000 centimeter square, that is 100 into 100. And in the same way 1 meter square equals to 1 upon 10,000 meter square. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14 approx. This you have to memorize. Now let us start our exercise 11.3. There are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the figure, two type of cuboidal boxes. Which boxes require the lesser amount of material to make? Now dear student, here it is cuboidal as it is observed, and from shape it observed as a cube. It is a special type of cuboid. Now let us find the total surface area of cuboidal boxes. Now here what is the difference between both? Here length, breadth and height, value of length, breadth and height all are different, and here length, breadth and height all are same. So what is the formula? Write down the length. Value of length is 60, value of breadth is 40, and value of a height is 50 centimeter. Now the formula is 2lb plus bh plus sl. Watch the introduction video. In that I had explained how we derive this formula, value of this formula. Now 2lb means 60 into 40 plus bh means 40 into 50, hl means 50 into 60. Then when we multiply, 60 40s are 2400, 40 50s are 2000, and 50 60s are 3000. When we will add all, so write down centimeter square because it is in centimeter square. So you will get 7400. So 2 into 7400 is 14,800 centimeter square. Now let us find the total surface area of this cuboid, in which length, breadth and height all are same, 50 centimeter. So apply the formula 2lb plus bh plus hl, that is 2lb is 50 into 50, bh also 50 into 50, and hl also 50 into 50. All are same. So 50 50s are 2500, 2500, 2500. When you will add, you will get 7500 multiplied by 2, 15,000 centimeter square. So from this, if we observe, see the total surface area of second cubical box is more. So we can say that here it is asked that which box require the lesser amount of material. So we can say that box first, that is box A, require lesser amount of material to make. Let us see the next question. A suitcase with measure 80 centimeter into 40 centimeter into 24 centimeter, means it is in cuboidal shape, is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. Means tarpaulin means tarpatri. Whenever you go in the market to buy during a rainy season, you go in market to buy the tarpaulin cloth. How many meter of tarpaulin with 90 centimeter is required to cover hundreds of suitcases? So dear student, here long tarpaulin is there whose width is given but length is not given, and hundreds of suitcases are there. So let us find the total surface area of such 100 suitcases. So see, I had drawn one kind of a suitcase over here. So if you see, it's length and breadth and height. Length is 80 centimeter, breadth is 48, and height is 24 centimeter. So let us start now. One kind of suitcase it is. Now what is the formula? Total surface area of a suitcase, that is 2lb bh plus hl. The 2lb length is 80 into breadth is 48, 80 into 48 breadth is 48, height is 24, 48 into 24 plus HL, height is 24 and length is 80, 24 into 80. When you will multiply 80 48 the 3840, 48 24 is 1152 and 24 80 is 1920. When you will add, sir, you will get 6912 multiplied with 2, you will get 13,824 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area for one such suitcase. So to find out the total surface area for 100 such suitcase, that is multiplied with 100, so you will get, see here, that is multiply with 100, you will get 13,82,400 centimeter square. Now dear student, here whenever you go in market to buy such a type of tarpaulin, it is the measures of such pieces of tarpaulin is given in meter. So I had considered this area for 1 meter tarpaulin is, that is 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. It is given in 100 centimeter. The 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So if we considered it as 1 meter and the length, the width is given. See, this is one kind of a long tarpaulin. Area of 1 meter tarpaulin, see 1 meter length I had considered it as a 1 meter, I had converted into centimeter, that is 100, and a breadth which is given, see 96 centimeter breadth is given. So I had found that area of one such meter is 9600 centimeter square. Now what I will do, how much length of such tarpaulin is needed to cover 100 such suitcase. So what I will do, total area of a suitcase, that is a number of tarpaulin required to cover 100 such suitcase. So what I did, that a total area of 100 such suitcase I had divided with the area of 1 meter square tarpaulin. So I found that 144 meter. So hence 144 such meter of tarpaulin, that is long tarpaulin, is required to cover 100 such suitcases. Let us see some number third. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. Now dear student, we just need to find the side whose total surface area is already given 600 centimeter square. Now if we consider, let the side of a cube, such cube is x centimeter, see in total surface area 6 sides are there. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 means front and back, this bottom and top, in such way side and side. So total surface area of a cube which is given 600 centimeter and 6 surfaces are there, square surface are there. The 6x square, I had equalized both the value, 6x square equals to 600 centimeter which is given. So 600, 6 will come down, 600 divided by 6. So x square equals to 100 means what will be the value of x? So just find out the root of x, that is root of 100, that is 10. So from this I found that the side of such a square cube, side of a cube is 10 centimeter. Now let us see some number 4. Rukshar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter, 2 meter, 1.5 meter. How much surface of the area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet? Now see dear student, it is one kind of a cabinet. The Rukshar painted the outside cabinet whose length is 2 meter, breadth is 1 meter and height is 1.5 meter. Now if the painted is done all over from outside, only leaving the bottom, so how to find? We will find the total surface area of such cuboid, then from that we will subtract the area for bottom, surface area for bottom, that is length into breadth. So let us find the total surface area of a cabinet, rectangular cabinet, that is cuboidal cabinet, whose length is given 2 meter. See, if you see his this is a length, longest side, breadth and height. So here no such see mention, but I had mentioned over here length, breadth, height. So total surface area is 2 LB BHHL. L is 2, breadth is 1, 2 into 1, breadth is 1 and the height is 1.5, 1 into 1.5 and H is 1.5 and L is 2, so 1.5 into 2. So 2 ones are 2, 1 into 1.5, 1.5 only, and 1.5 into 2 is 3. When you will add, you will get 6.5, 6.5 into 2 gives 13. Now this is we got the total surface area of the whole cabinet to be painted. Now from bottom it is not painted, so we have to leave that portion. So find the area for bottom, that is it is in rectangular shape. So now the bottom portion to be excluded, that is L into B. L is 2 and breadth is 1, so 2 into 1, that is 2 meter square. Now this is total surface area. From that you have to subtract this 2. So 13 minus 2 is 11 meter square. So hence he has painted 11 meter square area of a cabinet. Now let us see question number 5. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter respectively. From each can you can understand, can means a color can of paint 100 meter square of area is painted, means from one can it cover 100 meter square. How many cans of paint will be need to paint the room? Now dear student, in this if we see the cubical hall is there, we have to color the whole wall including the ceiling but excluding the floor. As we all know, we cannot use paint on floor. Now the whose length, breadth and height is given. See here. Let us see how to do such. See here, this is one kind of a cubical hall. So what we'll do first, we'll try to find the total surface area of a cubical hall excluding the floor. Means we have to exclude the floor, and the floor is in rectangular surface, that is L into B. We have to subtract such. Now find the total, apply the formula of area of a total surface area, that is total surface area of a cubical hall, that is L into B, that is 2 LB BHHL. So value of length is 15, breadth is 10, height is 7, length is 15. So 15 tens are 150, 10 sevens are 70, 7 15s are 105. Add it, you will get 325, multiply by 2, 650. Now from that you have to exclude this area of floor, that is which is in what is the dimension? L and P, that is length into breadth. So area of such floor is the length is 15 and breadth is 10. The 15 tens are 150. Then from total surface area of a cuboid is 650. From that you have to subtract 150, you will get 500 meter square. Now dear student, here it is mentioned in the question that with one can means one such can, from one such can it cover 100 meter square area. So here there is 500, total area is 500 meter square. So how many such can will be needed? So what I will do, the number of can needed from the total area, you have to divide this, you have to divide this 500 by 100, because this is the total area, and with one can it cover 100 meter square of area. So when you will divide 500 meter square by 100 meter square, you will get 5. So hence 5 such can needed to paint total area excluding floor. Now let us see sum number 6. Describe how the two figures given are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface? Now dear student, we have to find how two figures given are alike and how they are different. Now similarity in both the surface, they have same height, that is, see here also height is 7 for cylinder and here height is 7 for cubical box. Now the differences is one is the cylinder and the other is cube. As from the figure itself we can find the differences, one is cylinder and another is cube. Now let us find the lateral surface area of both, and we have to find which one is having a larger lateral surface. As we all know, lateral surface area of a cylinder is how much? First we need to find the radius whose diameter, see here the diameter is 7, so radius will be 7 by 2 or 3.5. Now then you have to see here 7 by 2, or you can write 3.5 as a radius, because we all know how to find the value of radius from diameter, that is diameter divided by 2. Then lateral curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi rh, that is 2 pi r is the circumference, and whatever the height created in the cylinder, that is h. So 2 pi r plus h, that is 2 pi rh, to pi r into h, 2 pi r h. The value of pi is 22 by 7, radius is 7 by 2, and height is also 7. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 22 7 is 154. So hence the cubic, now we will find the lateral surface area of a cube. So what will be the lateral surface area? It is not a total surface, it's just a lateral surface. Lateral surface means only the 4 wall. So now lateral surface area of a cube is 4l square, that is 4 side square. So here the side, all sides are same, that is 7 7 7. So length, breadth, height all are same. So 7 centimeter, 7 square. So 7 square is 49, 49 4s are 196. So we can find from the both that lateral surface area of a cube is larger than lateral surface area of a cylinder. Now a closed cylindrical tank, let us see the sum number 7. A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 and the height is 3 meter is made from a sheet of a metal. How much sheet of metal is required? Now dear student, it's very simple. Think for one sheet is there, metal sheet. From by folding it, closed cylindrical tank is formed. So it's very simple, whose radius value is also given and height also given. So what we'll do, we'll just apply the total surface area of a tank. So it is in cylindrical form. The total surface area of a cylindrical tank, that is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. So previously in introduction part also I had explained in this video, in the beginning of this video I had explained how this formula been derived. See, the lateral surface area, or we can say curved surface area, is 2 pi r h, and in that one circular lead is there, that is pi r square in top and bottom. Pi r square and pi square will give 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. So from that 2 pi r will be common, and in bracket h plus r will remain inside the bracket. Now put one by one all the value, that is 2 pi, value of pi 22 by 7, value of a radius which is given, that is 7 meter, r 7, and height is also given in the question, that is 3 centimeter. Now 3 meter, sorry. Now see if anything is possible to cancel. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 22s are 44, 7 plus 3 is 10, and 44 10s are 440 meter square. So we can say that hence 440 meter square of metal sheet is required to form a closed cylindrical tank. Now let us see next question, sum number 8. A lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is given. Now the one hollow cylinder is there, hollow. It is cut along with height and form a rectangular sheet of width 33. Find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. Now what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2l plus b. Here width is given, breadth is given, but length is not there. So now see, you have to understand, this is one kind of a hollow cylinder. When it is cutted in this way, see, I had explained with the help of this figure. See, this is a hollow cylindrical, from that whose area is 4224 centimeter square. When it is cutted from here, and it given a shape of a rectangular shape whose width is given 33 centimeter, but length is not there. So what we'll do, we'll just apply the formula of we will equalize both the area, because while cutting and straightening into a flat surface, the area of both remain same. So what is the lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder? We will equalize with area of a rectangle. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is how much? That is 2 pi RH. So whose value is also given. So we will just equalize both the value, that is area of a rectangle should be equals to lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder. So area of a rectangle is L into B. You have to equalize both the area, that is 4224 centimeter square. Now dear student, here the breadth of this rectangle is given. We are finding the length. so that we can easily find the perimeter. The breadth is given 33, L to find, 33 will go down, then when you will divide, both will possible to both divisible by 11, then for the 3, then value of L we got 128 centimeter. So we can say that from this we found that length of this rectangular sheet is 128 centimeter. Now we will find perimeter, which is asked in the question. Perimeter of rectangular sheet, that is 2L plus B, that is 2, length is 128, just now we found, and breadth is given in the question, that is 33. The sum of 128 and 33 is 161, multiply by 2, that is 322 centimeter. Hence the perimeter of rectangle is 322 centimeter. Now let us see sum number 9. A road roller takes 750 complete revolution to move once over a level road. Means to level a road, one road, it will take 750 such revolution. Revolution you can understand. 750 round. Find the area of a road leveled. So now we have to find the area of a road to be level. If the diameter of the road roller is 84 and the length is 1 centimeter, means they are talking about this length is 1 centimeter and the diameter is 84. Diameter means diameter of this road roller wheel. So we are concerned with just a curved surface area of a cylindrical wheel. We are not concerned with the total surface area, as the side portion is of no use, because only whatever the area, that is curved surface area of this road roller wheel, we have to multiply it with 750 revolution. So let us first find the curved surface area of road roller wheel, means in one revolution how much area it will cover. Then we have to multiply with 750, so whose length is 1 meter, and convert it into centimeter, that is 100 centimeter. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. See, curved surface area of a road roller, that is 2 pi rs, 2 pi value 22 by 7, radius which is given 84. So from that we found the value 42, write on 42 over here, and height is 1 meter, means converted into centimeter, 100 centimeter. 7 6 are 42. When you will multiply, you will get 26,400 centimeter square. Means in one revolution it cover 26,400 centimeter square of area. So how much it will cover in 750 revolution? So multiply with 750, you will get, then convert it into meter. So as we all know, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter square equals to 100 into 100, 10,000. So 100 into 100, when you will convert this value in meter, so you have to divide it with by, because this value is in centimeter square, so you have to convert it into meter square, so you have to divide with 10,000. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 will cancel. When you will multiply, you will get how much? 1980. Here 0 will not come. When you will do cancellation, 1 0 will left. When you will multiply and divide, you will get 1980. So hence area of road leveled is 1980 meter square. Now let us see sum number 10. A company package its milk powder in cylindrical tank container. See, this is a milk powder in a cylindrical container whose base has a diameter 14 centimeter. The base of diameter 14 centimeter. The radius will be 7. Radius will be 7 centimeter. Then company place a label around the surface of the container. Now see, we found one kind of a label on the surface of the container. This is a curved surface. As shown in the figure, if the label is placed 2 centimeter from top and bottom, what is the area of a label? Means if you see, the label is 2 centimeter from top and bottom at the center. Means if the total height is 20 centimeter and the label is placed 2 centimeter above and 2 centimeter below from top and bottom. Okay, so now we need to find the area of this label. So first of all, we will find the radius. As we all know, the diameter is given 14, so radius will be 7. See here, diameter divided 2, that is 14 divided 2 is 7. Now we will find the height of the label. So what will be the height of the label? Height of the label, total height is 20. So what will be the height of the label? So from 20 you have to subtract 2 centimeter from top and 2 centimeter from the bottom. So 2 plus 2 4, you have to subtract 4 centimeter from 20 from total height. So why? Because only this much portion is labeled. This one here it is not labeled. So what will be the height of this label? 16, that is 20 minus 2 and 2 14, 2 and 2 4, 20 minus 4 is 16 centimeter. Now it's very simple to find out the area of a label, that is curved surface area of a cylindrical label, that is 2 pi rh. 2 pi is 22 by 7, radius 7, radius will be same, and the height is 16, not 20. Height of this label is 16, 20 is the total height of the team. Then 7 will cancel. When you will multiply such, you will get 704 centimeter square. Hence the area of the label is 704 centimeter square.